Yeah, hello, welcome to Learn Academy. In this tutorial video, we'll be taking a look at keyboard shortcuts for equation editing. In previous videos, we've actually learned how to type complex basic mathematical equation, but here we have to actually know how to go about using keyboard shortcut, to make our work kind of a little bit easier for us to type as many equations as possible. So let's get started. For example, let's say I want to type an equation now. Let's say I want to say, as a business manager, I want to calculate my profit. The profit of the goods, let's say, can be calculated as. So I want to insert the equation for calculating my profit. So instead of moving my cursor to the insert menu, I can just simply press the alternate key on the keyboard. You press the alternate key on the keyboard, followed by the letter N, followed by the letter E, then followed by the letter I. So basically you have your equation space automatically appearing. Instead of me just moving my cursor to the inside, then move it back to the drop down arrow, then go to and fro, and kind of a bit buggy. But this time around we're using the keyboard shortcut like alternate N, E, I. We give you this, then I can simply just type in profit equals to, let's say, selling price minus cost price. When you're typing mathematical equation in Microsoft Office Word, it's not actually meant for science-based or engineering-based equations. You can use it for any kind of equation at all. For example, if I'm in a chemistry class, I want to type in something. Let's say I want to type in the reaction. Let's say the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. Let's say an oxygen. Okay, good. An oxygen is given below. So of course, as a science student background and having a science student background, man, so if you don't understand this equation, fine, don't worry, it's fine, it's okay. So let's say, so I'm going to press my keyboard shortcut alternate N, E, I. So it brings it automatically. The first set of elements we have there is hydrogen. So we're going to be using 2 molecules of hydrogen, which means I'm going to be having a subscript. So I have to come to the script, put in my subscript, then I put my H, then subscript 2, then hydrogen plus, and I have my plus. Oh, sorry, I have to move out of the subscript. Then I have my plus. Then I want to add just a single atom of oxygen, oxygen. So I have my O. Then in a reaction you have the forward arrow, which signifies that you're transforming this element into a product water. So I have to come to the symbol section to look for the forward arrow. Let me look for the forward arrow. So I'm going to use this. I have my right arrow. So I have my right arrow. So the product will be giving us water, which is H2O. I come down to the script, choose my subscript, then I put in my H, then my 2, which is the subscript 2, and I just simply type my capital O. You can see this is a chemical reaction equation. So it's not just for kind of any mathematical equation, complex equation you can type. So going through the route of shortcut, keyboard shortcut, gives us speed. For example, I have quite a number of equations to type. I can always just go through, N, W, N, I. Then it brings it up. Then I can type my X, plus Y, then equals to 1. I can move from there. Then I press my N, E, Y. I can type my A plus B plus C equals to 50. You can see, I'm moving fast as possible, compared to me having to move my cursor to the insert menu, do all those front and back, makes it more kind of drooling. And yes, it makes it more kind of drooling. I can even go as far as trying to say, let's say I want to type in x squared plus y squared equals to 1. So I can press my shortcut alternate NEY, it brings it there. Then instead of moving my cursor to this fraction or to the script, because I need to type in s squared first, I can just simply type alternate. Then you can see the next option to type comes up, which is JE. I type my JE, then I type my s. It brings up that. I just press enter, so it moves it. Oh, come on, I don't need it. So this is not what I'm looking out for. I'm looking for superscript rather. So I type in my alternate key, JE, then my s, then I quickly move to the word superscript, or I can just delete this entirely. Sorry. So alternate NEI, I want to type in s squared plus y squared equals to 1. So that means I need superscript first. So I press my alternate key, then I follow it by JE, then with s, then I press enter. So this is my superscript. So I have my x square, then plus alternate JE, then I press my s again, I press enter. So y square then equals to 1. So you can see how easy for me to go through the keyboard shortcut, making it very fast, easy, so I can type in quite a number of equations, and makes it quite interesting for me. So this is going to be about it, and in our next video training series, which will be coming out soon, we'll be going into other areas of Microsoft Word. But for now, let's make do with mastering mathematical equation in Microsoft Word. Thank you. Bye for now.